Let's open the advent. Whoa! I was not expecting this. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Codemas Day 7. I want to continue with those small tutorials, so today I thought we would be creating a small switch input. This is the end result, this is what we will be creating, so if you don't know and want to know how to do it, stick around, and also if you know how to do it, stick around, because why not? I have only created the basic HTML file again, which only has the style sheet imported, when the style sheet has only some background color and padding for the body. So let's head to the body and create a label element, and let's put inside it an input, which will be a checkbox, and also let's create a div, which will be a sibling of the input. So the label has to target the input, so we will give it a for attribute. Oops. Come on. And the for attribute we will name switch state. So ID switch state. Now we need to give some classes to those elements. So class equals to switch container, and then the input doesn't need any class actually. And this div here, class equals to switch face. So let's copy this class and go to the style sheet. Let's paste it here. So the switch container input will have a width of 0.1 pixel, as well as the height will be 0.1 pixel. And also the opacity will be 0. The position will be absolute. Let's save this. Now let's copy this class here for the face. Paste it. Let's give it some basic styling. So width 160 pixels, then height 60 pixels. Border radius 60 pixels. Let's give it some background color, make it white, and also some box shadow. Let's see, 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel, and then 5 pixel, which will be 0, 0, 0, let's say 7. Let's go to Chrome and see what we have. We have this. Actually, let's smooth out the shadow because it's too harsh. Let's see what can be done here. Let's have it here, 2 pixels, yes. Let's smooth it out and then like this. And also let's give it some inset shadow. So 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 0, inset, and then we will say 0009. Let's make it smoother, -1 pixel, 3. I like this. Let's keep it, copy and paste it here. So we also need an after pseudo element for the switch face, which will be width 60 pixels, as well as the height. And also we need to add some content. Empty string, and then background color, let's make it tomato, and also display block, as well as border radius 60 pixel. Let's see what we have. Let's also give it some shadow to make it smoother, to give it some depth. So box, shadow, let's see, 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 3 pixel, minus 2 pixels. Let's make this 4, make it even smoother. And let's give the left attribute a little more space. Nice, let's copy this and go back here. Box, shadow. Now what we want is that when we toggle the checkbox, when we click on it, we want this face to move all the way to the right. So let's do this. Switch container input, let's copy and paste this here. And also add checked. And then font face. Let's copy the background color and make it lime green, looks good. And transform, translate X. Let's make it 100 pixels. I think this is the amount we want. And also let's give some transition property here, not transform, transition. 0.5 seconds, let's see. Oh, nope. Of course not. Yep. And that's it. But we can see that wherever I click on the document, the switch toggles. This is because the div element here of the face is a block element. You see here, all this orange area, this is where it's clickable. So if I go here, it doesn't switch, but if I click here, it will switch. Let's fix this by changing the display property to inline block. And now wherever we click, it doesn't switch, but if we click inside, it will work. As a matter of fact, let's unhide the checkbox to see what is happening. It's checked and the face is green, and then when it's unchecked, when I click on this area, the face is red and it works as it should. So let's go to switch face and add display inline block, save, refresh, and then we can see that it's working as it should. And that's all. It may not look beautiful, but it does the job. You now know how to create your own switch input for your projects. It is very easy to do. This technique is also used to create custom checkboxes because their appearance is not the same for every browser, so we end up creating our own styles to make it global, and you now know the technique for both of them. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. Please like it if you did, and also subscribe. Have a nice day, I will see you tomorrow.